So I just made a web controlled home automation system that can be hosted on Apache server running on Raspberry Pi. So let me explain how I made it. I first started by installing Apache server on Raspberry Pi. If you don't know how to install it, I will put some links of tutorials in the description box below, so you can check it out. Okay, then I proceeded with building the landing page. This is the code for the landing page. And this is the actual landing page. Basically, it's a login page to get access to control page, so that other than the owner, nobody can access the controls in your home network. I know it's not really secure. I haven't even connected the database for username and passwords yet, but it still works fine. Okay, so after typing the username and password, the program checks if that matches with the registered username and password. In this case, I just openly type that in the code. Okay, so if that username or password is incorrect, you are going to get an error saying that username or password is incorrect. Okay, so let's type the correct username and password. Now we are logged in, and these are the icons to control the appliances. You can just click on them and they will turn yellow and will start animating, so that we know these things are turned on. And then you can click again to turn it off. And of course, it's responsive so that we can control our appliances with the mobile devices. Let me play a clip for you of this website on mobile devices. Okay, that's it, finished, bye.